This is Scott Becker with the Becker Business and the Becker Private Equity Podcast. These are seven of the stories that we're following today to kick off the day. First, the markets point up again as earnings decisions for the big tech companies come in pretty well, and as the markets get ready for the Fed to cut rates. Second, and we'll talk about this in a separate episode, Amazon hits the layoff button. Again, Amazon's up about 5% now year to date, but been struggling. It's going to lay off about 30,000 people, cut about 30,000 jobs. They're sort of going for that Mark Zuckerberg year of efficiency as they try and get tighter and leaner. I think they thought for a while that AWS would carry them just so far that they didn't have to do this, but they're going to do this to try and get their profit margins up and try and make it more profitable. Third, a stock I did not expect to hit it out of the park this year is Wayfair, the furniture retailer, mostly online, but also some retail stores. It jumped 23% yesterday as its revenues climbed to almost $3.1 billion. Its net loss also grew, but Wayfair is up 140% year to date. Another stock that also hit the layoff button earlier and is seeing its cost-cutting efforts pay off is UPS. It jumped 8% yesterday as its cost-cutting and its turnaround efforts start to pay results. Fifth, no surprise here, NVIDIA barely hit $5 trillion in market cap yesterday. That's remarkable. It was up again several percent yesterday, almost 5%. This latest jump is being driven by good trade talks with China that might allow NVIDIA to sell more and more complex chips into the Chinese market. Sixth, Apple is also hitting the rebound button. It closed at almost $4 trillion yesterday, literally starts today at $3.99 trillion. It hit an all-time high in market cap as iPhone sale momentum continues to build. Simply remarkable. Seventh, I'm excited. We've got our Becker's Healthcare CEO Roundtable next week. I'll get a chance to interview Wayne Gretzky, the great one, simply remarkable. I'll also get a chance to interview several different CEOs from health systems. David Banks, the CEO of Advent Health, Suresh Gunasarakan, CEO of UCSF Health, and just a great, great deal of great leaders. Thank you for listening to the Becker Business, the Becker Private Equity Podcast. We'll be back with you later today with more episodes. Thank you very, very much for joining us.